got stuck that day. He looked around and felt some fear. He called his friend with a trunky cheer. Come here, come here, come here. Two chubby elephants went out to roam, got stuck in a river far from home. The water was deep, they slipped in slow. They called another with trunks held low. Come here, come here, come here. Three chubby elephants walked with glee. Trapped in a cage, oh no, said three. They saw the hunter and shook with fright. Called their friend with all their might. Come here, come here, come here. Four chubby elephants, big and round, played in the mud and all fell down. They saw themselves and gave a cry, and called their friend with trunks held high. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Ooh. Five chubby elephants walked back home, found a spider web while they roamed. The spider laughed but helped them all. She cleared her web with a magic call. They all jumped up and danced in glee, happy together, wild and free. They danced, they laughed and played some more. The jungle echoed with joyful roar.